China girl, Vanessa Serrano!
Nakoy feeling na kaya second judge doon. Muli pinakusgan. Executive producer of KMWK, Mr. Greg Limpe.
Long sleeve siya.
Yes.
Yes, ang karoon, let's give it up for our third judge. For a cool attraction, we have Richard Baguio.
Yeah, baby. Oh my God.
Parang cola ang katawan. Gusto mo di ay.
And Justine, daratong all the way from